back.
Skeeter's yelling at me, folks. But you're very violent today. No. We get a little goofy today.
I'm violent. We're all violent. I brought an orange cat just in case you don't get it.
A who?
Oh, wow, dude.
Oh. Oh, man. You guys gotta see this.
This is beautiful.
How orange those trees are really popping now. And we're still not in peak. That's incredible.
Oh, I just fly around.
You know what? I see you left your cousins at home this time.
Yeah.
Last time we came out here to Skeeter's, Skeeter brought all his cousins, his in-laws, and all the Skeeters followed us the whole way down the trail through camp. The next morning we woke up with a few thousand Skeeter bites. I don't know if it was like banquet day
I mean, it was a family reunion.
the buffet meal.
Yeah, it was a buffet.
All right, guys, I'll bring you back when we're done being goofy. Maybe.
What's up with the camera, bro?
Skeeter is having some technical difficulties today. Big.
Oh my! What? I swear I didn't bring the monkey. Well, maybe.
And this.
Let me tell you something.
This is why it's so hard to get footage.
This is hard. You get technical. What do we call it?
Technical difficulties.
Daggone it, man.
Oh, look at that. That sunset over that lake is absolutely beautiful. What? So, if you guys haven't seen my hiking Weiser video, it just came out this week. You guys should check that video out. I think it says something like 10 miles of adventure in the Weiser State Forest. It's a pretty cool video. Seems very similar to this area we're in today. So you guys should check that out. And actually bringing Skeeter back here. His first time on this side.
On this side.
Which is pretty cool.
Yes, indeed.
So Skeeter brought me here for my first stealth camp on the opposite side.
Now he brought me on this side.
So now we're full circle. All right, so we're gonna try to hustle a little bit to get up ahead and get you guys some decent views before that sun hits all the way down behind the mountain.
Yeah, right.
tour. It's going to be home for the night once I finish it getting laid out. Should just need this liner, patrol bag, simple inflatable mattress, and then my ICS. Skeeter over there getting the fire ready. We're still trying to kind of get a camp going over here. A little hard for you guys to see, but I have to show you in the morning. Tent is set up. Skeeter's got his hammock set up over there. Trying to get a little bit of fire going. You don't curse a whole lot.
Huh?
You don't curse a whole lot.
Not that right. Only time is if if a fish breaks my pole. Oh, that's a whole different ballgame, bro.
Oh yeah.
This fishing rods, man, they're not cheap.
Yeah.
When a fish snaps your pole in half, yeah, that's a fish.
Skeeter's over there doing a live.
Yay! I wore my orange hat because I know it's hot in the season.
Crazy, man.
I felt like looking like a deer.
Crazy, man. So, sorry guys. Try and give you the Blair Witch look here. So, Skeeter's carrying on back there. He's alive right now, so I just wanted to get on real quick and say hi to you guys and let you know how so far day's going pretty good. We got a little fire going. Beautiful night up here. So peaceful, except for Skeeter. Doing a star lapse for you guys, star trail. So that should come out pretty good. I'll put that in here soon, and then I'll give you guys a shout in a little bit. Of course, now I have my camera on. And now that sound, I can't hear that sound no more. You guys will have to check out Skeeter's live, the video from his live. We just heard some crazy sounds up here. And as soon as I put my camera back on, nothing.
Isn't that crazy?
That is weird. All right, guys. Well, we're going to turn in for the night, and then we'll see you in the morning. Have a great night. What's that all about? What's that flashing light all about?
Oh, that's my security alarm, just in case somebody breaks into my my hammock.
The goofiness has continued on to the morning.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Sun is slowly coming up.
Yeah, slowly.
Yeah, it's funny how much different it looks on the camera than it does like being here. Look at all that fog out there.
Yep.
Still can't see my tent over there.
It's still dark up in here.
Yeah, it's funny.
We're in the forest, peeps.
My tent.
That's one thing I do want to say. And since you're live now, or not live, but we're both recording. You gotta let people know right now, we are in a forest.
Oh yeah.
And we did not hear
Skeeter setup.
hardly any
No, other than the ducks.
ducks. That's weird.
Something was walking around back here last night though. Unless it was you up using the bathroom.
Nope.
Because every now and then I would hear something.
Got in my hammock.
See if we see any more.
I thought I heard an animal underneath me.
Maybe.
Snort.
That was probably me snoring.
And exactly what it was. Because it freaks me out. It was like 3:30 in the freaking morning.
Oh yeah, I was out like a baby.
Yeah, you were snoring loud, bro.
I'll tell you, I sleep better outside than I do in my own house. I'm just comfortable being outside. Can't think of a better place to say good morning to you guys. Still out here, spent the night out here with Skeeter out in the forest.
Tried out the MSS and under some actual real cold conditions. Did pretty well. Definitely impressed. So I guess we're gonna start tearing down in a few minutes. Just enjoy the sunrise. Then we'll get out of here.
And kind, destroying and rebuilding in a constant bind. As I walk through the fire in the pouring rain, I know that nature.
All right, guys, so started to walk back out, packed up, cleaned up camp, made sure we left it the way we found it or better. Always gotta leave it better, right?
Right.
So we're on our way back out to the car. Try and ask Skeeter how we slept last night. How'd you do, Skeeter?
With my eyes closed. With my eyes closed, but it was an awesome night.
Was it a successful camp?
Yes, it was.
All right, guys, so probably leave you guys with some video. The fog coming off the lake is absolutely beautiful. The sun's coming up behind the mountain. All right, guys, another beautiful night of backpacking in the books. Just got back to the car, took a little walk down by a pond here. I'll show you guys that in just a second. I have to share this, it's beautiful. So it was a great night. Temps got down around 42 degrees. I slept like a baby. That MSS is definitely a great investment. If you're looking for something that can get you down to those low temperatures without like breaking the bank, check it out. Always looking for new gear, so that's one of the ones I could definitely recommend. Tried and true, tried it several times, hasn't let me down. I've always had a good night's sleep with it, always been warm, no complaints. So, and it's modular, I mean, you can break it apart. And I'm going way off topic. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys again for coming along on this journey and all the other journeys you guys have been on. Thursday night, last night, we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. I can't tell you what that guys, what that means to me. I'm so thankful for you all. And for those who've just joined, you know, welcome to the journey. Every time we get out, it's an adventure. Try to make it a little different every time. So let me show you guys the view, and thank you guys again for coming with me. And as always, if you can't get out on your own, come along with me. I feel honored if you do, and let's check out that view together. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you again, and we hit that 1K. Thanks, guys. So once again, I just want to say thank you. Send a special thank you out to Skeeter for inviting me out here on this little camp. I took him over to a side that I wanted to go to this time. So last time he took me to a side, this time I took him over to a different one. Pretty cool camp though. So guys, if you haven't, check out Skeeter's channel. He does a lot of great fishing videos, a lot of lives. I think you guys will enjoy it. And thank you again, as always, for joining me. And we'll see you guys in the next adventure. Have a great day. I feel so free, exploring the world where I'm meant to be. Among the trees and the streams, I find my peace. I'm not lost, I'm exploring.